Riyadh, Saudi Arabia has reported an outbreak of the highly pathogenic H5N8 Bird Flu virus in a poultry farm. The Ministry of Environment, Water and Agriculture said in a statement carried by the Saudi press agency. Emergency teams were able to control the epicenter of the outbreak after implementing the emergency measures at the site, said by Dr. Abdullah Abalkail, spokesperson of the ministry. The outbreak, which occurred in Sudir in the Central Riyadh region, killed 22,700 birds. The World Organization for Animal Health, or OIE, said on Tuesday, citing a report from the ministry. The other 385,300 birds in the flock were slaughtered, it said. The case was the first outbreak of the H5N8 virus in Saudi Arabia since July 2018, quoting the World Health Organization, or WHO, sources. Abalkail confirmed the type of H5N8 is a strain that affects birds only and is not transmitted to humans. This strain was registered in the kingdom at the end of 2017 and it does not pose a threat to public health. The spokesman called to the poultry farmer to take utmost care and vigil, as well as to apply preventive measures when dealing with birds and not to import new birds for time being.
So just a friendly reminder sa aking mga kapwa OFW dito sa Saudi Arabia, mag-ingat lang po tayo and be vigilant, stay healthy, and God bless.